Hello and welcome. I'm gonna show you how I did this mask. This is not perfect, but I'm gonna show you how I did it. So first you take this one, then you want to work, then you export it to a video, then you go to masking and then you take a mask and you control and left click so you get this mask, and then you do make a mask and change it around here, so control left click and then joining these two. If you click, or if you want to join these two and make it a whole like so, Alt C do. Then you click A and select all, and you insert a keyframe, and then you do it when it start. So it start like here, 89 here. So then you do a keyframe here, then you change. Then I do a second shortcut here. So I do that and I change it, and then you do select all this with A, and then you do it like so, and then you here I did a shortcut also, so I did not perfect, but this is for an example. Just so there we have it.